F. Scott Fitzgerald once said, "That's part of the beauty of all literature. You discover that your longings are universal longings. You are not lonely or isolated from anyone. You belong." We share and connect through stories every day, but how many of us identify as authors of our own life stories? English is more than memorizing grammar rules and writing essays. It's about tapping into the shared moments that make us all human. It's about being vulnerable enough to take risks in order to open up and engage in meaningful connections with both real and fictional people. At Compass, we want students to author the best possible stories of their lives and our collective futures. We want students to be reading and writing from a place of authenticity, which can only be gained through deliberate social and emotional learning and skill development. We want our students to appreciate the nuances of words and structures, to express exactly what they mean, and to experience the thrill of sharing a great story. English at Compass is for curious and courageous learners. They look for thematic connections across disciplines and life experiences. They appreciate the craft of writing, the messy first draft, the power of peer feedback, and the puzzle of revision that makes writing fun. Through building strong habits around writing, students can realize that their words have the power to change the world. We use design thinking to write good questions, to think critically about meaning and context, and to apply information that we read to our understanding of bigger problems and possible solutions. We need to be taught to care about each other's stories and realize that everybody's story is universally connected. When we take authorship of our own stories and listen carefully to others, we find a sense of belonging, which empowers us to get out and participate in the world. I am Kayla Crowe-Stover, and this is my Compass English class.